In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ban words on Discord. We're going to walk through how to use Discord's built-in AutoMod tools so you can automatically block specific words or phrases from being used in your server. This is really helpful for keeping your community safe, respectful, and on topic, without you or your moderators needing to constantly watch every message. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to ban words. You'll need to have the right permissions, usually administrator or manage server permissions. On desktop, look at the left-hand sidebar. Find your server name at the very top and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Server Settings. This is where all your moderation tools live. Inside Server Settings, look for the section called AutoMod or Content Moderation, depending on your version of Discord. AutoMod is the feature that automatically checks messages before they're sent and can block them based on filters you set up. Open AutoMod and you'll see different tools, like preset filters and custom keyword filters. To ban specific words, you'll want to create or edit a keyword filter. Choose the option that lets you add your own blocked words. This is where you'll type the exact words or phrases you want Discord to automatically catch. When adding words, be as specific as you can. If you're worried about variants or similar spellings, you can add those too. Keep in mind that over-filtering can sometimes block normal conversation, so it's a good idea to start with the most important or most harmful words first. Then expand your list if needed. Next, decide what happens when someone tries to use a blocked word. AutoMod usually lets you block the message entirely so it never appears. And you can also choose to log these attempts or have a message sent to a specified channel for moderators. Set the action that best fits your server's rules and moderation style. Once you've set your list and actions, make sure the filter is turned on or enabled, and then save your changes. It's a good idea to test it with a trusted moderator or in a private channel to confirm that messages containing those words are being stopped as expected. Finally, communicate your rules to your community. Let members know that certain words are not allowed and that messages may be blocked automatically. This helps set expectations and keeps your server a more welcoming place for everyone. And that's how you ban words on Discord using AutoMod.